Welcome to our channel. If you want to move crypto from Binance to Ledger, follow these step-by-step instructions to transfer your digital assets securely to cold storage. Step 1. Set up your Ledger hardware wallet following the manufacturer's instructions, including installing Ledger Live software, initializing your device, and securely storing your recovery phrase. Step 2. Open Ledger Live on your computer and add accounts for the cryptocurrencies you want to transfer from Binance. Ensure you've installed the correct apps on your Ledger device for each cryptocurrency. Step 3. Copy your Ledger receiving address for the specific cryptocurrency you're transferring. Double-check that the address shown on your Ledger device screen matches what appears in Ledger Live. Step 4. Log into your Binance account and navigate to your wallet where you hold the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Select the withdraw or send option for that specific asset. Step 5. Paste your Ledger receiving address into the withdrawal address field on Binance. Triple check that the address is correct, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. Step 6. Choose the correct network for your transfer, as some cryptocurrencies support multiple blockchains. Using the wrong network may result in permanent loss of funds. Step 7. Start with a small test transaction before moving large amounts to verify the process works correctly. Once confirmed, proceed with transferring the remaining balance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.